time to open the bag. Looks like everything's wrapped, which is actually really good because I know there's a lot of like breakage in the mail. And there's a paper in here. Oh, there's another thing in there too. Oh, okay. Yeah, so not always. They used to put all of the products in the paper, and then they started not doing that and just putting stuff about the site. So I guess I'll say, first thing, I actually pick this. I think once a month, sometimes you can pick which product you want if you get there on the right time. This is the Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Brow plus Volumizing Gel in 3. I'm pretty sure that was the only color available. They had like either this or dark brown, but I'm pretty sure they only had this one. So this is a brush. This is the SLMISSGLAM P40 Round Brusher Plus brush. Here we go. I kind of like this. It looks like it should light up though, but it doesn't. Those are just like little gems, and it's sparkly. Now I picked off some of the nail polish that I have on because I knew I was probably going to get a nail polish, so we'll see how that works. Okay, so I guess I'm going to say the nail polish next. This is FLUIDE 7 Free Polish and Dapper. So I think 7 Free has to do with like the chemicals in it. I've read about that before. There's certain chemicals that can like leach into you that aren't good. It's double packaged. So there's that. This is the Essence Cosmetics Pure Nude Highlighter 010 and Popping Champagne. So that's one of their typical little book ones. And looks pretty cool. I do not know if this shade is going to look good on me, but we'll find out in a little bit. And then I've got the Illuminati Cosmetics Quad Palette in Enlightened. This one actually looks a lot better quality than their normal stuff, so that's pretty nice. Open that up. Oh wow, that's actually really like sparkly. I actually like it this time. I don't always get good ones. A lot of times they're dull and can be broken. Let's see if I can get this to focus. There we go. So I'm back with a mirror. Well, I decided to use this mirror. And here's the eyebrow gel again. That is Gimme Brow. I cannot get my camera to focus whatsoever. There it is. Now, as you can see, I barely have any eyebrows, so hopefully this will work. I get copyrighted, and this is really boring. Here's my new song. Do 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 do. Fill in my eyebrows. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Eyebrows, eyebrows. Boo 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 boo. Eyebrows, eyebrows, eyebrows. It's the eyebrows. Do ba do 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 do. Boo 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 boo. Boo 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 boo. Pew, 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 pew. Do, do, pew, 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 meow, meow. Are we done? Oh my god. Yay. Cool, good. What am I doing? I am thinking. And then I'm gonna put my hand up because I put some foundation on. Woohoo. I really needed that, so now I'm going to do highlighter. What highlighter is that? That is the Pure Nude highlighter by Essence. And it smells like nothing. The car is loud. Oh my god. Look how shiny. You can't see because my camera is shit quality. And yeah, it was like falling all over the place. So that's fun. Brushy, 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 brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush my face and my nose and my lip and my chin. Oh, I got my forehead. No, I did not. Yep, that's great. Now, what am I doing next? That's my thumbs up, which means video transition, and my hair is down now. Woohoo, look at that. I'm doing the eyeshadow, which is Illuminati, the quad palette, and the brush from the other thing. The brush is from that Moons palette. Okay, and did I not say what color I'm doing? I think it was the lightest shade. Oh, because they're not labeled. Yeah, I did the lightest like tan shade, and this brush was shit. It did not do anything whatsoever. Brushy, brush, brush, brush stuff onto my eyes. Brush stuff onto my eyelids. Brush, brush, brushing my eyelids. Brushing my eyelids, oh. Get some more stuff from my eyelid. Using the other side of the brush now. Brush, 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 brush. Okay, now I am using another shade. It's the brown shade that's not sparkly. But actually it's red, but on camera it shows up brown. It's like a rusty color. Poke, poke, poke in my eyelids. Give myself retina damage. Look at that fallout. I am a mess. Dab, dab, dab in my eyelids, 'cause I am a mess. Boo, 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 ba doo, ba doo, boo. Boo, 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 ba doo, ba doo, boo. Boo, 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 ba doo, ba doo, boo. Boo, 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 boo. Wipe, wipe, wipe up my mistakes. Wipe, wipe, wipe away my mistakes. Alright, looks like I've got the shiny color there. It's got sparkles in it. I think that's the red shiny color. Decorating my lips with pretty stuff to make myself look less like a turd. Woo. Now I'm using the most sparkly, lighter shade. It's like a gold cream color. It's very flaky and awesome. And it smells like nothing, again. And I tried to put it on this brush. It did not get on there. And I decided to use my fingers. That is what she said. And it showed up amazing. Look at that. It is so sparkly and shimmery and amazing. And I'm very excited about it. I did like smear it all over the places where it wasn't supposed to be, but that is fine because I mean I should just slap the whole thing all over my face and I would be set for life. Shitty transition, go! Here is the ending. Look at my face. It is shiny. I have golden red eyelids, and now I am going to do my nails. And there's still fallout on the side of my face. And there's my dog! Hey! I can't get a packaging open because I'm two. And I did take off the nail polish that was on my nails earlier. And now you're going to watch an adult human being struggle to paint one nail. But it's sparkly, it matches. Very October. And my camera will not focus. Watch me try for several minutes to get the camera to focus on my painted nail. There's more of this where that came from. Wait, what? There's more of that where this came from. Whatever. And guess what? I don't know how to speed up videos. Like, I can speed up the whole thing. I cannot speed up sections of it. So, you get to hear me. More of my awesome radio station here. I'm painting my nails. Ipsy's nail polish lasts like shit. I have a speech impediment, so this song is shit. This nail polish will probably last like 20 minutes. Ooh, ooh. On the site, it says that it's long lasting, but it's absolutely shit. Yep, it's absolutely shit. Boo, 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 boo. I'm painting my nails. I'm painting my nails. My nail is almost painted. Hey, my nail is painted. Look at that. Will it focus? Will we ever find out? Probably not. Boop, 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 boop. Do 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 do. Hey. And shitty transition, go. There's the finished look. I put some mascara on at some point. I did my other nail. Oh, I cannot get the camera to focus. Maybe if I look angry. Oh, yep. Okay, there's my nails. They're both painted. I have mascara on. And the only thing I put on off camera was one hand, mascara, and foundation. So, woo, bye.